National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cecil County in northeast Maryland, northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southern Chester County in southeast Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Calvert, or 12 miles northwest of Elton, and moving east at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Ferry Hill around 8:35 p.m., Campbellsville, Glen Westover and Appleton around 8:40 p.m., Ladenburg and West Grove around 8:45 p.m., North Star and Pike Creek around 8:50 p.m., Alkesson and Ashland around 8:55 p.m. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following county: Newcastle County, Delaware, and Cecil County, Maryland, and Chester County, Pennsylvania. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards for northeastern Maryland and the nearby areas. Station WXK-97 from Sudlersville, Maryland, on a frequency of 162.50 megahertz.